If you want to optimize your internet connectivity and speeds, make sure to stick around for the entire video, as today we'll be covering MTU size. Many people are used to just plugging in their router and connecting, pay particular attention to. If an error occurs, the packet will take longer to retransmit. Also, more data within fewer packets can result in the packets becoming bloated, with larger packets being sent. Checking the MTU size should be one of the first troubleshooting steps to consider when you're facing connectivity issues to the internet that you wouldn't expect, or even other network-related performance issues. Thankfully, this process is both quick and easy, as no additional hardware or software is needed. You can perform all of the testing and make the necessary changes with just a regular computer and your router. The larger the MTU size is, the more data that can fit into fewer packets. This generally results in a faster and more efficient transmission of data across your network. On the other hand, if an error occurs, the packet will take longer to retransmit. Also, more data within fewer packets can result in the packets becoming bloated, with larger packets also being more likely to suffer from delays and even corruption. A larger MTU size can also increase latency, whereas if you'd set it to something smaller, the latency generally improves. Therefore, you should change the MTU size to be the maximum that it can absolutely be, but without any of these detrimental effects. Now, it may take a few tries to find the best MTU size for your network, but in my opinion, it's definitely worth the time investment for the result you can achieve afterwards. The simplest way to find the best MTU size for your network is through a simple ping test. This process involves sending multiple ping requests whilst gradually reducing the packet size until it no longer needs to be fragmented. Fragmentation occurs when the messages need to be divided into smaller packets. If you're a Windows user, you can use the ping command through the command prompt, but if you're on macOS, you'll need to use terminal instead. I have a dedicated video on the ping command and how to use it, which I'll link to in the corner of the screen for you to check out. So I'm going to be super brief in covering how to access command prompt and terminal in this video. So if you're on Windows, press the Windows key and the R key to launch the run window. Type